Today we're in the Bronx to show you what it really costs to run an apartment. Let's go. Out of every rent check, roughly $200 goes straight to taxes. Maintenance is roughly $250 a month. Insurance eats at least $150 a month. Water and sewer, $127. Fuel runs about $125. Labor is $122. Admin costs another $143. All in, you're at around $1,200, and you haven't even touched the mortgage, which shows even if the building is paid off, there's a significant cost to operate. This unit's regulated rent is roughly $700, and the previous tenant lived here for decades, so the rent doesn't even cover the operating costs. An apartment like this one will require over $100,000 in renovations to remove lead paint, upgrade wiring and plumbing, level the floors, upgrade appliances, which all required on turnover, but all very necessary. And now you get why an apartment like this sits empty for years. And it's not just this one. There's at least 50,000 apartments across New York City sitting empty right now. We have to find a way to bring these apartments back online. Let me catch my breath. Here's a walk up.